Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your environment. Update the operating system and open the settings where accounts live. Once done, install or open a reputable password manager and create its master password. This is the single key you must remember. Make the passphrase at least 12 characters, combine upper and lowercase, numbers and symbols, and avoid dictionary words. You do this because long, unique passphrases resist guessing and reduce reuse risk across services. Now you generate and store credentials. Use the manager's generator to create a unique password for each account and save it in an encrypted vault. Then enable two-factor authentication on email, banking, and primary accounts to add a second layer of protection. Make sure the password manager syncs across your devices securely and set a recovery method like a hardware key or printed recovery code. You do this because unique passwords plus 2FA stop credential stuffing and reduce impact if one site is breached. Finish by maintaining hygiene. Run periodic audits inside your manager to replace weak or reused passwords and rotate credentials for sensitive logins. Make an encrypted backup of the vault and store it offline so you can recover if the service is inaccessible. If you ever get locked out, first use your recovery key or account recovery flow. Only reset accounts when unavoidable. This approach minimizes lockout risk and preserves access while...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.